Good afternoon everybody, welcome to another tutorial, and today we're going to be looking at the half digital, half analog Teac vinyl player. It's also a radio, USB, SD card, and also has a record function either directly to USB or you can also plug this to a computer. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is pretty much just the player. You've got your vinyl section up on the top. You've got all your control panels down here. This has got no remote, so this is all operated just by the control panel here. I'll see if you can see it at the back, but it might be a little bit hard because of the lighting. But we've got yeah, it is a little bit hard, but over here we've got two white and red RCA. And we'll at the back we've got a power cord that's built in, or that's permanently attached to the unit. We've got an aerial for the radio that's AM and FM, and we also got a USB type B connection, a female connection at the back, and that's what you connect if you want to connect this to a computer. And you can also record directly to a computer through programs like Audacity, because when you plug this to a computer, the computer recognizes this as a sound device, a sound card. You can't push music to it, even though it does come up as speakers, because when you plug it to a computer, it actually comes up as a speaker, as a USB speaker. But that feature doesn't work. It only works as a recording device. So in Windows, and I'll see if I can hook it up, if I can find the cord. You can use this as a recording device. So without further ado, let's turn it on. So over here we've got your on button, got your play, pause. So that's when you want to tune the radio. So the unit this really only applies to if you're using the radio, USB, SD card. When you're using vinyl mode, everything is manual. So I'll play something little, just because of copyright reasons. I won't play it for too long, because I can get done. So yeah, so it's vinyl mode. So yeah, you can you got 3 different settings. So got that one. So you got 3 different settings that you RPM settings that you can set the turntable to rotate. So that's just the turntable, but as I said, like, you can record the radio, and you can record the vinyl directly to a USB if you were to put a USB in the front. You got the record button here, and if you got a USB, it'll recognize it and start recording onto it. I haven't used that feature yet, because I only really brought this as a scratch turntable. But that feature is there if you want to use it as a vinyl player, and you want to record your vinyls directly to USB. If you want to save your vinyl collection, you can do that as well, but still have that vinyl sounding quality, because it's recorded directly from a vinyl. As I said, from the back too, when I was trying to demonstrate the USB, you can plug a USB type B in. I'm not too but the USB side of it, I know it only works with the vinyl. I'm not too sure if you can record the radio to your computer. I haven't tried that part of it, but I know that you can record a vinyl. You can also got USB and SD card playback, so you can stick an SD card in here as well. There's a little full-size SD card slot by the USB. And yeah, you got your volume adjusts because it's got internal speakers as well, as you would have heard. So we got the radio. So if we click it to radio, this is how you change it. So you got your FM. This has also got AM to use. So these are where these buttons apply. So if you want to change it, you can. So that's AM there. Then also if you click so you got USB. SD card. And you also got the phono, which is the record. So phono is record. That's what you can use. So for an overall good system just to listen to vinyls, it's pretty good. Well, I like the built-in radio. I've actually got this hooked up with the RCA cables to my Liam 10 channel PA system. So as I said, I use this as a scratch table with the DJ stuff alongside the controller and my computer, which I reviewed this controller, and I've also reviewed this computer in the past. So yeah, this is just one of those, instead of scratching on here, I just pretty much use this as a scratch turntable. And sometimes when you say, I'm one of those DJs that wants to be hybrid, I still want vinyl as well as scratching digital music, because it's just cool to have an old school, half old school thing there. But yeah, I was just reviewing this product, the Teac Rcorder tuner, USB playback, SD card playback, and it does record. So yeah, but this is just another quick tutorial on this piece of equipment. Hopefully you learned something new, and until next time, cheer, you have a good day.